Hello students, we have a question. The number of values of x in the interval 0 to 3 pi close brackets satisfying the equation 2 sine square x plus 5 sine x minus 3 is equal to 0 is. We have four options 6, 1, 2, 4. This is a question of AIEEE 2006. Before attempting this question, I would like you all to just memorize this. Please pause the video and memorize this. Once you have memorized this, then just come to the question. Here we have the equation 2 sine square x plus 5 sine x minus 3 is equal to 0. We treat it as a quadratic equation, so we take x as sine x. So we have 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Factorizing it, we get 2x square plus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. We have 2x x plus 3 minus 1 x plus 3 is equal to 0. Making factors x plus 3, not making factors, taking common 2x minus 1. So we have equal to 0. So now by the rule we have x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So what we had x is sine x, so we have sine x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. So sine x is equal to minus 3 and sine x is equal to 1 by 2. So in this case, sine x minus 3, we know that sine x or sine theta's range is minus 1 to 1, so therefore it's not possible. So we are left with only this case. In this case, we'll just use the property, that is sine x is equal to sine alpha. So we have x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. So here we have sine x is equal to sine pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 1 by 2, sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So we have this. So we have x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6 using this property. So now to find number of solutions, to find number of values of x, what we do is simply just put from 0 till some next values of n, like in first case put n is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to 0, minus 1 to the power 0 is 1, so we plus pi by 6 is equal to pi by 6, which belongs to 0 to 3 pi, because we had the interval 0 to 3 pi. So 0 to 3 pi, pi by 6 belongs here. And now again put n is equal to 1. We have x is equal to pi minus 1 to the power 1 minus 1 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to 5 pi by 6, which belongs to 0 to 3 pi. Okay, now again put n is equal to 2. So we have x is equal to 2 pi minus 1 to the power 2 is 1 only, so plus pi by 6. So we have 6, 13 pi by 6. Is that right? Yeah. Now put n is equal to 3. So we have x is equal to, and here we have this 13 pi by 6 belongs 0 to 3 pi. So this is also a solution of x. Now put n is equal to 3. So we have x is equal to 3 pi minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 minus pi by 6, which is 17 pi by 6, which belongs to 0 to 3 pi. So this is also a solution of x, and again put n is equal to 4. We have x is equal to 4 pi minus 1 to the power 4 plus pi by 6. So we have, it is obviously it is greater than 3 pi, so it doesn't belong to 0 to 3 pi. When we come across this where the solution of x doesn't belong to the given interval, then we simply take the values just above it, like we have n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we have 4 values of x, and those are from the previous only. We have pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 13 pi by 6 and 17 pi by 6. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So 4 values of x. We have option D is the correct option. So we have 4 values of x, so the correct option is 4, that is D. Thank you.